here we have some apples. We have 1 apple, 2, 3, 4, 5 apples. We have one group, we could say this is a group of 5 apples. Here we go. Now we have a lot more apples. We have 1 group of apples, 2 group of apples, 3, 4 groups of apples. We have 4 groups of 5 apples. That's how we could describe it. 4 groups of 5 apples. Another way to think about this is we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus another 5 apples. Another way to think about it is we have 4 5s. 4 5s. So how many apples do we have? Well, we have 5, first of all, 5, then another 5, 10, 15, 20. In total, we have 20 apples. So we can say 4 groups of 5 apples equals 20. We could say 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. Another way we could say it is 4 5s equals 20. Let's have a look at this picture here. Now I want you to have a think by yourselves now. Using that language, have a think how you would describe how many cupcakes we have. Okay, here we go. Let's try and fill this in. So first of all, let's think of these as additions. So we have 4 and 4 and 4. If we add 4, 4 and 4 together, and we can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 4 and 4 and 4 is 12. We could also say that 3 4s equals 12. And there was another way that we were saying it as well, using this language of groups of. Do you remember? Well, it would be 3 groups of 4 equals 12. So here is our final example. What I'd like you to do is pause the video and have a think. We've gone through 3 ways that we can describe groups. And I'd like you to think about those 3 ways before you continue watching. Okay, let's go through them. So we could say, well look, we've got 6 eggs here in one egg box, another 6 eggs in another egg box, and another 6 eggs in another egg box. So we could say 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals, and if you add them up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, you'll find that's 18. That's one way to say it. We could say 3 groups of 6 equals 18. And finally, we could say 3 6s equals 18. And later on, as you do more work on this, you'll also be talking about this sign here, because there's another way that we can describe it. We could say 3 times 6 equals 18, which means the same as the 3 ways of describing it above.